Hello, I'm Kotar, and this video I'm going to show you how to mix potting soil for vanilla orchid. So here we have perlite and some universal potting mix, and here we have our ash for fertilizer. So now we're going to mix this all together and put it in this bucket, which have a lot of drainage holes. It's a little bit broken, but it's still strong, so I'm not going to throw it away just because of that. At the end it will be fully covered with moss. So let's mix our soil and put it inside of this pot. So I'm preparing this soil to be loose and have a good drainage, so there won't be too much of the moisture caught in the soil. It should be moist, but not too moist that it rottens. So I hope I'm not complicating too much about this soil, but I think it's gonna be just fine. So now let's put in the pot. Okay, just a little bit more of the soil. Okay. So here we have our new vanilla pot. So now we're going to just glue some moss on the outside of the pot and hope that it looks natural and plant vanilla in it. So now I'm going to show you how to cover a pot with a moss. So here we have our half-done pot covered with moss. So for that you need wires, candle, and a pot. So here we have a pot just for this video, so it's smaller. So here's the first way of attaching moss to the pot. So here we have wire, which is attached like this, and in the inside it's just the same as you can see at the outside. So this is for things that are just on the pot and can move around. So this isn't probably the best way to do it. So let's see another one. So here's another one. Let's look in the inside how it looks. It's look like this in the inside. It's wired up. So after you put wire in this end or this end, probably best in the low end, and put moss over there and go with wire around it, on it, and put wire in the second hole and just wire it up in the inside. So this is the second way, and probably the best way is just to do it like this on the bottom of the pot and tangle it like this and untangle some of the wire, and now you're just going to put moss around it and work with it just like that, and slowly and gradually apply moss, and then over the moss this wire. So at the end it will probably look like this. Wire probably won't be noticeable because of the moss. So just don't complicate it too much and enjoy. So at the end the product should look like this. This was made by other way, by the first way that looks like this. isn't the best way, but this is the way I tried. So we're going to see how it works. If it didn't work, I'm going to do it in this way with this wire. So